Your book. Okay, can you open your book page 47? Okay, page 47.
47เปิดยังยังไม่เปิด
Okay, so everybody's ready? Okay, so our topic for today is all about the weight. Okay, so last week we already finished talking about the length. Okay, length. Now we will talking about the weight. So use weight or use of proper measuring tools. Okay, measuring tools and measuring units for weight. Okay, so now, so let's have talk about what is weight. What is the meaning of weight? Okay, the meaning of weight, it means the measure, means to measure of how heavy an object is. So that is the weight. For example, what is your weight? What is your body weight? Okay, what is the weight? What is the weight of the apple, the watermelon, or the fruits? Okay, anything. So that is the meaning, means the measure how heavy or how light an object is.
หน้าไหนคะ
Okay, so page 47. This one is page 47 in your book.
ขอบคุณที่เชื่อ
Okay, so page 47. Okay, you're welcome. Okay, so page 47 so that you can follow. So again, weight means the measure of how heavy an object is. So in weights, so for example, so if you will go to the market, okay, so this is a wet market. So look at here. So there are different vegetables, okay, and fruits. Okay, so it means if you going to the market, you will have to find what is the weight, right? Gram or grams. So we will talk about that one later. So this is how, if you will go to the market, so you can see what tools, okay, what tools that we will use, okay, what tools that we will use to find the weight of the fruits or vegetables. Okay, and here, look at here, the what is this? What do you call this one in English? This one, what do you call this one? This is a, what do you call this one in English? What is this? This is a fish, right? So look at this. This is a fish. So look at the one that I encircled here already. So this is the example of tools. Okay, so this is the example of tools to measure the weight of the fish, to measure the weight of a meat. Okay, so that is the meaning of weight. Okay, to measure how heavy, okay, how heavy the fish or how light is the meat. Okay, so now let's talk about the measuring tools. Okay, still in page 47. Still in page 47, this one, measuring tools. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, and okay, there are 5 measuring tools in your book, right? So the first one is measuring tools. The first measuring tools to measure the weight is, so here we will talk about this. We use the dial spring scale. Okay, so we will use the dial spring scales in market to measure the weights of the foods items like vegetables, fruits, okay, fish, vegetables, and meat. Okay, so this is a dial spring scale. Okay, so that is the first tools, dial spring scale. Okay, so this is dial spring scale. It means to measure the weight of the food like fruits, fish, vegetables, and meat. Okay, so that is the use of dial spring scales. Okay, next tools. So what do you call this one? Who can tell me? What do you call this one? What is this? What is this? So this is a digital kitchen scale. Okay, so this is a digital kitchen scale. Okay, so this is the digital kitchen scale. Okay. See this one in Big C and Tesco. Remember, if you will go to the if you buy a fruits or vegetables, or if you go to the meat, right, in the Tesco and Big C, you can see the digital scale, okay, or digital kitchen scale. So this is the second tools. Okay, so it means digital kitchen scale are similar to dial spring scale. Okay, but it measure in digital numbers. So this is a digital numbers. The dial spring scale is like this. You have to count how many is this, right? This is here. So look at they are not the same, because the digital is, if you will put the weight, if you will put, for example, this one, the vegetables, automatic you can see what is the weight of these vegetables. So they are the same, but the different is a digital numbers. Okay, next is, what is this? What do you call this one, everyone? Who can tell me what is this in English?
ว่าไงลูกอันเนี้ยภาษาไทยว่าไงที่เชิญถามเครื่องช่างอะไร
เครื่องชั่งน้ำหนัก
น้ำหนักตัวใช่ไหม
ค่ะ
body ตัวใช่ไหม body scale นะครับเครื่องช่างน้ำหนักตัวใช่ไหมครับ
Okay, so this is a body scale. Okay, so it means, what do you mean by body scale? Look at the little boy. So it means you can measure the body scale. What is your weight? Okay, only for person or human. Okay, body scale. Okay, so that is why called body scale. So weight can be displayed in digital. Okay, so this is digital or analog. So this is the example of analog. This is digital. And so look at here, the weight of this boy is 26 kilogram. So we can measure our weight with the body scale. So again, if you can see this body scale, it means what is your weight? What is the weight of the person? Okay, for example, if I will, what is my weight? Okay, so I will use, because for example, Teacher Mary don't know what is my weight. So I will use body scale to find what is my weight. Okay, so that is the example. Okay, your body means you, your mommy, your sisters. Okay, you can use the body scales to measure your weight. Okay, so remember, body scale is a person. Okay, for a person. Remember, for a human or person. So that is a body scale. Again, let's recap. The first one is,
แรกอะไร
what is the first tool?
แรกอะไรลูกอันแรกอะไรอันแรกอะไรนะ อัน A ลูก
The pink scale.
Okay, very good. Dial spring scales. Okay, the next one.
ต่อไป อัน B
นี่สองใช่
ดิจิอะไร
Digital kitchen skill.
Very good, bonus. That is digital kitchen scale. And the third one?
ต่อไปเมื่อกี้เลยเนี่ยอันเนี้ย
Body skill.
Very good, bonus. The body scales. Okay, so let's proceed. So remember that one. The first one, dial spring scale. The second one, digital. Okay, digital kitchen scale. And the third is dial spring, body scales. Okay, now let's proceed to the fourth tools. Okay, the fourth tools is balance scales. Okay, so this balance scale, so this is the picture of balance scale. So balance scale, it means to measure the small items. For example, such as medicine, okay, medicine and chemical substances. So this one is for chemical or laboratory. You know, laboratory is in science. You can use this one in science. So mostly, if you will make a medicine, okay, if you will make a medicine, you will use a balance scale or any chemical. Okay, so if you will go, for example, if you have laboratory in school, you have science laboratory, right? If you have in the school, you can see this kind of tools. Okay, so if you will go, for example, you can see this one.
นักเรียนเคยได้ยินไหมนักเรียนเคยเห็นไหมเครื่องช่างนี้บาลานซ์สเกลเนี่ยเคยเห็นไหมครับ
ไป
เคยเห็น
ค
ไหม
รับ
ภาษาไทยเรียกว่าเครื่องช่างอะไรนะ
เครื่องช่าง200,000นะครับ
เมื่อกี้ที่เชอร์ก็อธิบายว่าเราจะมาพบกับเครื่องช่างนี้ที่ไหนนะเมื่อกี้ได้ยินคำว่า laboratory ไหมได้ยินไหมได้ยินปะไอ้ laboratory นี่คืออะไรรู้ไหมก็คือห้องปฏิบัติการห้องแลบนะห้องแลบหรือห้องปฏิบัติการนะโรงเรียนเราก็มีใช่ไหมห้องปฏิบัติการทางวิทยาศาสตร์ป .1 ใช่ไหมที่ห้องป .1 ครูฟิล์มอ่ะเคยเรียนปะ
ไม่เคยครับ
ก็จะเป็นห้องปฏิบัติการก็จะมีเพื่อที่จะสร้างสารเคมีหรือว่ายาต่างๆนะครับโอเค teacher
Okay, teacher, thank you. Okay, so this is the balance scale. Again, to measure a small amount of medicine and chemicals. Okay, so next, the last one is the mechanical scale. Okay, so it means mechanical scale is to measure the large items such as sacks of rice. So it means very big, heavy. So for example, another is a basket of mangoes, a basket of apples. Okay, so this is the use. This one is for heavy object. Okay, the sacks, one big sacks of rice, one basket of pineapple, one basket of apple. Okay, basket, it's like big basket. Okay, for example, this is a basket. Okay, so a lot of fruits here, so it can use to measure the weight of a fruits. Okay, so remember this one, mechanical scales is for large object. Okay, large object. Okay, so now let's talk about the dial spring scale. Okay, so again, this is the dial spring scale. Okay, you can see this one. Where you can see this one? In the wet market. In the market. Okay, if you go with your mommy and daddy to buy a food, so you can see a dial spring scale. Okay, so look at here. The first here, this is a called metal plate. Okay, so this is a metal plate. The one here, the big one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, this is called kilogram. Okay, kilogram. Okay. The next one here is the arrow. Okay, so look at here, the red one here. This is arrow or needle. Okay, pointed. It's like same with the clock. Okay, arrow or needle. And the small here, the small line, it's called kid. Okay, so that is called kid. So we will focus that one in our next. Okay, I just show you what is the parts of dial spring scale. Okay, so look at here, I write here, 1 kilogram is equals to 1,000 gram. Okay, the units of our weight is kilogram and gram. Okay, we will focus for this gram and kilogram. So here is 10 kid is equals to 1 kilogram. So we will not focus this one yet, okay? We will not focus. We will focus this 1 kilogram is equals to 1,000 gram. Okay, we will focus this one first. Okay, that is the units of spring of the weights. Okay, so let's have here. So let's have page 49. Okay, let's have an exercise. Practice. Okay, we'll have to practice. So look at here, this is a measuring tools, right? Measuring tools. This is a body scale, dial spring scale, and digital weighing scale or digital kitchen scale. So look at here, this is a boy, mag, and hamper. Hamper, this is means a basket. So we can see the foods. Okay, we can see the foods here. So what, for example, number 1, letter the boy. What measuring tools that we will use? Body scale, dial spring scale, or digital weighing scale?
No. Body scale. Body scale.
Very good. The body scale. So we will check it. Okay, check. Okay, very good. How about the mug? Okay, very good. This is dial spring scale. And how about the hamper? Very good. Okay, very good. What is your name? Concrete? Is that correct? Okay, very good. In how we measure the weight of hamper using the digital weighing scale. The mug, okay. We have two answer of the mug. We can measure the weight of the mug using the dial spring scale and digital weighing scale. So we can use the two of them. Okay? So again, the boy, we can measure body scale. The mug, we can use the tools of dial spring scale and digital weighing scale. The last one, the hamper, which means the basket, which a lot of foods there, is digital weighing scale. Okay, so did you understand? This is how you'll use?
Yes, understand.ทีเชอร์ค้าง
ทีเชอร์เงียบไปแล้ว
ทีเชอร์ค้างเลยอ่ะ
ทีเชอร์ค้างแล้ว โอ้ทีเชอร์ค้างหรือเปล่า Okay.
Can you hear me?
ทีเชอร์ค้างไปแล้ว
โอเคไม่เป็นไรที่เชื่อหลุดไปนะครับเพราะฉะนั้นนักเรียนในหน้า49เนี่ยก็คืออะไรก็คือเพื่อที่จะดูว่าเครื่องช่างที่เหมาะสมใช่ไหมครับโอเคที่เชื่อโอเค
Oh, very sorry, teacher.
โอเคไม่เป็น
Internet.
ไม่เป็นไรโอเคครับโอเค continue teacher
Okay, thank you, teacher. Okay. Sorry for that, everyone. Okay.
activity
Can you see now? Okay, let's proceed to page 50. Okay, page 50. So it means here, check the more suitable units of weight for measuring the following object. Okay, the sponge.
grams. Gram.
Very good. Grams. Okay. How about the books?
Kilogram.
Okay, kilograms. Why? Because the books is heavy. Okay, the large number. Okay, very good. How about the watermelon? Very good. Kilogram. Okay, very good, everyone. Check it, your answer. Okay, finish.
Finish.
Okay, very good. So let's proceed here in number 2, right? The suitable measuring tools. Okay, remember what is the measuring tools? Okay, you will write here A, B, C, D. So letter A, the boy. The letter B, the big basket. Letter C, this is a carrots. And this letter D, is a, I think, sugar. Okay. So what the measuring tools that we will use? Remember the dial spring scale. We have 5, right? Dial spring scale, the digital kitchen scale, the body scale, the balance scale, and the mechanical scale. So which of these 5 that we will write here? So we have here A, B, C, and D. Okay, if you want to check the spelling, so you go to the page 47 and 48. Okay, you can write it. So the boy, what measuring tools that we will use? Dial spring scale, digital kitchen scale, the balance scale, the body scale, or the mechanical scale. Okay, you can write it here in the blank. Okay, I will give you time. Okay, very good. So you can write here. And we will check together.
เสร็จยังที่เชอร์teacher
Yes, teacher?
Yeah.
Bell ใช่ไหม
Okay, finish. L. Okay.
ไม่เชื่อหัวเราะ
Okay, finish.
Finish.
Oh, finish. Okay, very good. We will answer now. Okay, just tell me if you finish, okay?
เสร็จแล้ว show me your hand เลยลูก show me your hand เลยว่าเสร็จแล้วอ่ะ
Teacher, finish.
Okay, very good. Okay, very good. Okay, 3, 4. Okay, already finished. 4 people are finished. Okay,
Yes,
who is
finished.
finished? Finished Nadir. Very good. Concrete is finished. Is that correct? And who is this? Number 5? What is your name? And number... Who is this? I don't know. Number 8. Number 31. Okay, very good. Okay, they are finished. Who else? Okay, number 5 finish. Okay, so only 5 person are finished.
Finish. Teacher, finish.
Okay, very good. Okay, very good. Okay, we will answer now. Okay, so what is the answer in letter A? What tools that we will use? What tools? What is it? Okay, very good. The body scale. Okay, what is the spelling of body scale? B. Okay, B-O.
นี่ไหน
เดี๋ยวค่อยลุกก็ได้
B-O-D. Y. Okay, body scale. Okay, S. C.
ไม่เป็นไรให้
A. L. E. Okay, body scale. Okay, or body scales with S or without S is check. Okay, body scales or body scale. Okay, that is correct. Okay, if there is S, okay, check. If there is no S, it's check also body scale or body scales. Okay, that is already checked. Okay, letter B. What tools? The basket. A big basket of mango. What tools that we will use? Dial spring scale or mechanical scale? What is the answer? What is your answer? It is a mechanical scale. Okay, because this is a basket of mango. This is heavy, so it means we will use a mechanical scale. So what is the spelling of mechanical scale? So M-E-C-A-N-I-C-A-L. Mechanical scale or mechanical scales. Okay, scale is S-C-A-L-E. Okay, or S. If there is S, check. If there is no S, check. Okay, mechanical scales or mechanical scale. Next, letter C. Look at here, the carrots. What tools? Okay, what tools? What measuring tools that we will use to weight a carrots? Is it dial spring scale or body scale? What is your answer? Okay, so the answer is dial spring scale or digital spring scale or digital kitchen spring scale. Okay, wait, I will write properly here so that okay, so we have here, we can use to measure the weight of the carrots, dial spring scale. Okay, or if you answer digital, that is correct. Also, if you answer dial spring scale, it's correct. If you answer digital, okay, digital kitchen scale, it's also correct. Okay, if you answer digital spring scale, check. If you answer digital kitchen scale, check also. Okay? Okay, letter D, what is your answer? Okay, the answer in letter D is the same with letter C. So you can answer, if you answer dial, spring, scale, check. Or you can answer also digital, kitchen scale. Okay, so that is correct. So if you answer dial spring scale, check. If you answer digital kitchen scale, that is correct also. Same with letter C. If you answer dial spring scale, check. If you answer kitchen scale, that is correct. Okay? So check your answer. So we have here 1, 2, 3, and 4.
เช็คคะแนนเลยครับ
So the perfect score.
เช็คคะแนนเลย ได้เต็มไหม
Okay, the perfect score is 4.
ปูสกอร์ไหม
ผิดหนึ่งข้อครู
very good
หนูผิดหนึ่งข้อ
Okay, finish.
แต่ที่เชื่อหนูผิดข้อหนึ่ง
Oh, here, so we have here 1, 2, and 3. So 3, perfect score is 3/3. Who got perfect?
นี่ถูกหมดที่เชื่อการบ้านค่ะ
No, we will finish this one.
ครูอ้ำค่ะวันนี้การบ้านแบบมีอะไรบ้างคะ
ตอนนี้เราทำถึงหน้าไหนแล้ว เราทำมากี่หน้าแล้ว49 50แล้วใช่ไหม เดี๋ยวดูแล้วก็ฟังต่อนะครับ ฟังทีเชอร์ต่อว่าถึงหน้าไหนต่อนะโอเค ตอนนี้ที่หน้า51นะครับ แล้วเราทำมา3หน้าแล้ว49 50แล้วนะ ตอนนี้51แล้วนะครับต่อเลยครับ
Okay, page 51. Okay, you answer, you will put check. Okay? So, put check the more suitable units of measuring. Okay, units of measuring. So, this is the units, gram and kilogram. And then, choose the proper measuring tool. So, this is, the letter A is weighing scale. Okay, this is weighing scale, or this one is a mechanical scale. Okay, letter A, this is a mechanical scale. Letter B, this is weighing scale B. So, this is the example, this is dial spring scale. So, for example, letter A, the papayas, the basket of papayas. So, what is this? Grams or kilograms?
ใช้อะไรครับ
And
ใช้หน่วย
what
อะไร
tools that we will use?
ตอบ
กิโลกรัม
Okay, very good. Kilograms. It means you will check. And what is the tools that we will use? Letter A or letter B?
ใช้เครื่องช่างอันไหน A or B
A
Okay, letter A. So, letter A, that is mechanical scale. Okay, so you can answer letter B. Letter B, that is tissue or box. Letter C, mango. Letter D, potatoes.
Teacher, I am finished.
Okay, very good, Bonus. How about the others? Okay, very good. Who is that?
Teacher, homework.
No, we don't have homework.
ทำไปก่อนอย่าเพิ่งถามเรื่องอื่นป้าเดี๋ยวก็ทำไม่เสร็จหรอก
ทำเลยนะครับนักเรียนนะแล้วเดี๋ยวอันไหนเป็นการบ้านเดี๋ยวทิเชอร์ท่านบอกเองนะครับ
Okay, finish everybody.
finish finish
Oh, okay. So let's answer letter B. So letter B, the tissue box. What is the units of tissue box? If we will measure kilogram or grams?
gram
Okay, very good. Grams. And what tools that we will use? Letter A or letter B?
B B
Very good. Letter B, the dial
B เนาะตอบ B นะครับ
ค่ะ
spring scale. Very good.
ต่อไปแมงโก้อะไร
Okay, Letter C, what is your answer? Gram or kilogram?
อ๋อ
gram
Okay, very good. Gram. And what is the measuring tools that we will use to weigh the mango? A or B?
B B
Very good. B, the dial spring scale. So look at the picture. Only one mango. Okay, look at here. The potato. So it means one bag of potatoes or one sacks of potatoes. So there are many potatoes. So what? Very good. Kilogram. And what is the measuring tools?
A
A? Very good. A. So the letter A, that is mechanical scale. So let's check your answer. So we have here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, the perfect score is 8. So who got perfect score?
ได้เต็มไหมใครได้เต็มบ้าง
ได้เต็มครับได้เต็มครับครับ
Very good
very good
Okay, very good. So we are already finished. Okay, so it means we don't have homework.
เอา
Okay,
มาแล้ว
Okay, before that, Teacher Mary will ask you, What is the 5 measuring tools?
หนึ่งอะไรลูกมีเครื่องช่างอยู่5อย่างหนึ่งคืออะไรเปิดดูหนึ่งคือ
Very good. Dial, spring, scale. Second.
ตะเคยเครื่องช่างที่2คือดีอะไร
Oh. Okay, very good. Digital kitchen scale. The third one.
โอเคต่อมา
scale
Very good. Body scale. And the fourth.
balance scale
Okay, very good. The balance scale. And the last one is?
mechanical
Very good. Mechanical scales. And the units that we are using is, what is the units? What is the units?
หน่วยมีอะไรบ้าง
unit 9
No, what is the units of weight? What is the unit of weight?
หน่วยอะไรบ้างลูก
Very good. Kilogram
kilogram
and gram. Okay, so it means 1 kilogram. 1 kilogram is equals to how many? 1.
กิโลกรัมเท่ากับ
Very good. 1,000. Okay. So 1 kilogram is equals to 1,000
gram
gram. Very good. So don't forget, next week we have conversion. Okay, remember the 5 measuring tools. Again, don't forget the 5 and the units of measuring measuring
อย่าดึงเล่นอย่าจิกเล่นแม่ไม่ซื้อ
เจอติดซะแล้ว
weight is gram. Okay, very good.
โอเคครับนักเรียน
Okay, thank you everyone for listening.
โอเคสรุปนะครับวันนี้ก็คือหน้า49 50 51นะครับทีเชอร์ได้สอนไปเรียบร้อยแล้วนักเรียน thank you teacher ที่ครับลูก
thank you teacher
Thank you everyone. Thank you teacher.
ครูอ้ำ thank you teacher ครูอ้ำครับ
ลูก
คุณครูอ้ำครับวันนี้วิชาแมทมีการบ้านไหมครับ
วิชาแมทครูทบทวนนะครับวันนี้ก็จะมีหน้า49 50 51ที่เชอร์ได้สอนไปนะครับก็จะมีเท่านั้นก็ใครเสร็จ
ถ่ายหน้าไหนแล้วครับถ่ายหน้าไหนแล้วครับหน้าไหน
ก็ทั้ง3หน้าเลยลูก49 50 51เลยนะครับครับถ่ายทั้ง3หน้าเลยนะครับวันนี้ก็ใครที่ไม่ทันไงบอกเพื่อนนะเดี๋ยวคุณครูจะส่งวิดีโอให้นะครับวันนี้ก็สวัสดีทุกคนนะครับเจอกันในภาคบ่ายวันนี้ก็แค่นี้ครับสวัสดีครับ
สวัสดีค่ะ